Set the alarm for 8 o'clock. The alarm clock is buzzing. The alarm clock is ringing. Turn off the alarm clock. Shut off the alarm clock. Switch off the alarm clock. The alarm is going off. Hurry up already. Stop it already. Get up already. Give up already. Shut up already. Do it already. Fire him already. It's boring already. Get married already. I'm tired already. Get over him already. Would you shut up already? Get to it already. I'm already done. He's beginning to drift already. You're too much. Didn't I already tell you? It's almost, nearly, 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock already. It's only 11 o'clock. I'm 20 already. I'm only 20.
Year, day, week. What day is it today? What's the date? Do you know what today is? It's our second wedding anniversary. What year is it? What month is it? Come along Monday. Saturday comes real quick. It's 2 days of. What a day. This check is dated a year from today. It's coming up to our year anniversary.